Form 9465 requests a monthly installment plan when you can't pay your tax bill in full. The IRS generally approves it if you owe $50,000 or less. Let's fill it out. Enter your name and social security number. If you filed jointly, you'd add your spouse's too. Then your current home address. Now the numbers: the total you owe, how much you can pay now, and the monthly payment you're proposing. The higher your monthly payment, the less interest you'll pay overall. Choose your payment date and method, submit it with your return or on its own, and watch for the IRS approval letter. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.